Hello friends, this is Mansi from evidyati.in, and in this session we'll talk about our type panel. Now to get to our type panel, all I need to do is click on Windows and then I'll go down and find this type option, click on this and choose the character panel. You can also use the keyboard shortcut that is Ctrl plus T. I'll keep it this way, and along with this I'll go to window again, click on type and also choose the character style. Fine, and then I'll place it here. Now this is my character panel. In this we have the paragraph 1, open type, then we have character style, paragraph style. Basically all this comes under type panels, and type panels are very powerful. They will give you options to manipulate your text as much as you like and as much as you want. Fine, so let's get started with this. The first thing I'll do is I'll come here, click on this and click on show options so that it will display all the hidden options. Fine. Now I'll select this text. Now I have this quote over here, and let's suppose मुझे इसमें changes करने हैं. So let's see what are the changes that we can make to this one. So in character panel, the first thing we have is the typeface. If you want to change the typeface, you can come here and change it from here. Let's just keep it this way. And then the next one we have is the style. So if you want to change the style, right now we have only one option, that is regular. But in some phones you will have other options as well. Fine, for now we leave it to this. Now comes these options. So there are many options. Let's start from the first one, that is the set the font size. Means you can adjust the size from here. If you want to change the size, you can reduce the size like this, and also you can increase the size from here like this. Then the next one we have is leading. Now what does leading means? Basically you can see over here we have this quote in three different lines. So when you want to change the size between, or you can say the space between the lines, you can use leading. Like for example, if I click on this and extend this, so what is happening is कि यहाँ पे जो lines के बीच में space है, that is increasing. Fine. Similarly, if I come here and reduce this, so you will see now these lines are coming closer to each other, and if we keep on reducing it, they will come and overlap each other. Fine. So we increase it and let's keep it this much. Now the next thing we have is kerning. Now kerning basically reduces or expands the space between individual characters. So in this we have option of auto. You can keep it auto. Most of the times we are going to keep it auto and we are not going to make any changes to this. But other than this you have option of optical. So you will see as soon as I click on optical, the character will come close to each other. I'll repeat this. This is auto, and as soon as I click on optical, they will come close to each other. Similarly, you have matrix. They will again expand with each other. Other than this, the better way we have is tracking over here. So basically tracking is spacing out letters. Like if I increase it, so what will happen is you can see the space between the letters are increasing. If I keep on increasing, you can see the space will keep on increasing. Similarly, if I keep it reducing, so you will see they are coming very close to each other, and if I keep doing it, they will overlap each other. So I'll keep it pressed and you will see it is now they are coming really close and they are overlapping each other. Fine. So I'll just increase it a little bit, maybe this much. Fine. Then the next one we have is vertical scale. For that, I'll increase the box size like this. Now, vertical scale is if I increase this. So what will happen is कि यहाँ पे जो हमारा text है वो vertically expand करेगा. Means it is growing like this. So if I keep on doing it, तो आप देखोगे यहाँ पे letters की length vertically increase होती जाएगी. And similarly, we have horizontal scale. So if I increase this, now that they are spreading. Means कि अब वो जो scale हो रहे हैं, they are horizontally scaling. Fine. So again I can reduce this like this, and also the vertical scale. Let's keep it this much. Then the next one we have is baseline shift. So if I increase this, so you will see now these lines are going upwards, and if I reduce this, So it will come downwards. So if I keep on reducing it, let's suppose I want to bring it to the middle. So I'll keep on clicking it until and unless it reaches the middle of the box, like this. Fine. Then the next one we have is character rotation. Now if you want to rotate your characters, for that again I'll have to expand the box like this, and now let's increase the rotation. So now what is happening is कि जो हमारे letters थे they are rotating. आप देखोगे यहाँ पे सारे letters tilt हो गए. So with the help of character rotation आप अपने characters को rotate कर सकते हो. Fine. Then we have the option of all caps. अगर आपको सब कुछ capital letters में चाहिए, you can click on this and यहाँ पे आपकी सारे capital letters में change हो जाएंगे. For this I'll come here and let's reduce the rotation also. And again I have to expand the box like this. Fine. So यहाँ से आप all caps कर सकते हो, or if you want to turn it off, you can do it. Then the next one we have is small caps. If I click on this, now what will happen is it is giving me the letters in capital, but you can see the first one is larger than the rest of the other letters. Fine. Then we have superscript and subscript. So if you are using some equations or typing anything like that, so you can use this. And then we have underline. If you want to underline your text, you can simply click on this and this will underline your text. And also we have strike through. So if there is anything that you type and if you want to strike through on it, so what you can do is you can click on this and then that will strike through your letter or word. Fine. So these are the options we have in our character panel. Then we have the paragraph panel, which is also very helpful, especially if you are writing a paragraph. So these are the alignments. You can align your paragraph over here, and these are the options to change the indentation. जब आपको अपनी indentation control करनी है, you can do that from here. Then we have open type panel. Basically, open type panel only work for the open type fonts. And right now we don't have any open type font, so we'll just leave it. And then we have the character style and paragraph style. These are very helpful. For example, अगर आपने कोई paragraph पे editing करी है या maybe you have just made a heading out of anything and उसमें आपने बहुत सारी editing करी है, so what you can do is you can save it. Means उसमें जो भी आपने styles apply करें, जो भी editing करें, you can save it as a style, and even if you are working on other documents, तब भी आप वो same उसको apply कर सकते हैं. You don't have to do that again and again. You can just apply that same style. Fine. So this is about our type panel. This is it for this session. See you again in the next session. Till then, take care and bye-bye.